everyone! Today we're checking out the brand new Redmi A5, a budget phone with a 120Hz display, and Android 15. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. In the box, you'll find the Redmi A5, a 15-watt charger, USB-C cable, SIM tool, and some paperwork. Simple but clean. It's got a solid build, a matte finish, and an IP52 rating for splash resistance. The side fingerprint sensor works great, and yes, we still have a headphone jack. You get a 6.88-inch HD Plus display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It's big, responsive, and TUV certified for eye comfort. Not bad at all for the price. So the Redmi A5 runs on a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor with up to 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. It actually handles day-to-day use pretty well, but honestly, don't expect heavy multitasking or high-end gaming from it. With a 32-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel front shooter, you get, decent photos in good lighting conditions. Portrait mode is just okay, but low light is definitely a challenge. And video maxes out at 1080p. There's no stabilization here. The 5200 mAh battery lasts a full day easily, and with 15-watt charging, it takes around 2 hours for a full charge, which is actually quite convenient. Running Android 15 with Xiaomi's new HyperOS, the UI is clean, responsive, and bloat-free. Xiaomi promises 2 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches. Nice. Let's break it down. Pros. Big 120Hz display, solid battery, clean software, expandable storage. Cons. Only HD Plus resolution, no fast charging, basic cameras. Now let's talk about value. The Redmi A5 is priced at just under 8,000 rupees. But how does it stack up against the competition? Realme C53 comes in at a similar price, offering a slightly sharper display, but with a smaller battery. Samsung's Galaxy M04 is a bit pricier, but you get Samsung's One UI and a trusted brand name, though the specs are pretty basic. Then there's the Poco C51, which matches the A5 on price and battery, but its software can feel a bit cluttered. When it comes to pure value for money, the Redmi A5 stands out for its clean software, big battery, and smooth 90Hz display, features you don't always find together at this price. Keep an eye out for online deals or bundle offers, which can make the A5 an even sweeter deal compared to its rivals. If you want a phone under 8,000 rupees that nails the basics, big screen, clean UI, long battery, the Redmi A5 delivers. It's not a gaming phone, but for daily use, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, sub for more budget tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you pick the Redmi A5 or wait for something else?